to my love, Utah. I love how you smile and laugh. It's so pure and contagious. It always brightens up my day every time. I love how smart you are. So smart that on my first visit to see you in Seoul, South Korea, you decided to put me in Mapo. Her friends will know. It's the best place ever. I love you for who you are. You are beautiful in and out. You make me a better person. I love everything about you. Doing things with you, because you make everything wonderful.
Seeing shadows on the water.
I promise to eat healthy and take care of myself, as like you always say, so that I can take care of you till death do us part. I promise to be your best friend, to have your back no matter what, to let you fight your own battles, but will tap you in the need of help because you're fierce like that.
Rest of our lives decide. I woke up in a cold sweat, but I found you. And I wade through my worries are crippling. For crying out loud, wait, 'cause you've been talking in your sleep again. Around all the dreams you had.
When we first met in Taiwan for a very short 15 minutes, I instantly knew we had such a strong chemistry. Then, from long distance lovers to a relationship to moving in together, you were always there for me. You are my rock. My best friend, my love, my past, present, and future. You are such a kind and smart person who always inspires me to become a better, wiser person. I want to thank you for everything. And I promise I'll be the best version of myself for you. I promise to cherish your feelings and interests even when mine might not be the same. I promise I'll be strong when you're in need. I'll anchor you when you steer. I'll make you happy when the world isn't kind. I'll make sure you are the happiest, proud husband. We will have challenges and milestones on our way, but I can't wait to go through and conquer them all with you. I promise to grow with you and support you through good times and bad. I promise to be patient and listen. I promise to always stay true, faithful, and make sure I'm there for you and your family. I love you so much, my best friend, my love. And I will love you more each day and forever.
We're seeing shadows on the wall. Seeing shadows on the
Omanim, Hawk, that's a promise. Also, me and my family will always there to support you and love you. I'm the luckiest guy in the world, and you'll always be the love of my life, my best friend.
To say